If you've ever purchased anything on Amazon, then you already have access to everything you need to start making you some money on Amazon. That's right, there's people just like you who are making a ton of money online, guys, reviewing products that they purchased on Amazon. So as you guys already know, Amazon is probably one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world right now, annually approximately $500 billion in revenue right now, guys. Think about it. And there's people just like you, everyday people just like you and I, who are making a ton of money, guys, just tapping into this Amazon billion-dollar pie. And if you guys want to learn how people just like you and me are making a ton of money just reviewing products they already have around the house, then you better stay tuned and watch this video till the end. When I discovered the strategy, I was mind blown, and I've actually just recently started testing this platform out myself, and it's just been incredible, okay? And I'm actually looking forward to seeing how amazing the results will be moving forward as well. So I thought, you know what, let me share this platform with you guys, because you know I'm always bringing you the tea. So the strategy I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is none other than the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, for those of you guys who have not heard, Amazon have an influencer program whereby they actually pay people just like you and I for simply reviewing products that we already purchased on Amazon. And the beauty about the strategy is the fact that you can also review products that you own that were purchased elsewhere but are in fact being sold on Amazon, because as you know, some brands also sell on Amazon. So you're going to find similar brands that you shop from Walmart and being sold on Amazon as well. So if you have any product that you own right now at home that wasn't necessarily purchased on Amazon, however you can find the exact same product on Amazon, then you can do a review of this product, guys, and submit it to the Amazon platform and make you some money, okay? To get started with the strategy, first of all, you need to have an active social media account, okay? Because at the end of the day, if you are going to be promoting products or doing reviews, they do require that you have a social media platform that is actually active. And I talk about an active account, I'm talking about an account that is not only filled with a ton of followers, but that you're constantly posting content. Like every single day, you need to make sure you're active on that account, posting new fresh content, getting some engagement. If your account is dead right now, I'm talking if you have an Instagram account, a Facebook account, a TikTok account that is dead right now, you need to resurrect that social media account first of all, okay? So if you really want to make money with this platform, guys, go on your social media, your most active social media platform, and start posting some content. Post quotes, post whatever you want to post. Just be active, guys, on that account. You need to resurrect that account, and I'll recommend you do this for at least a week. Keep posting fresh new content. Try to get that engagement, guys, and just let them know that you are an active person. You're not just a bot, okay? Because they are eventually going to review your account in order to approve you for the program. Now, the good news is I've heard of people getting approved with like 50 followers, 100 followers. It's not about your followership. I think it's more to do with how active you are on social media, to be honest, at the end of the day. So you don't need to be some celebrity to join this program, guys. So make sure you resurrect your social media if you're not already active on your social media, guys. Post a lot of reels, because reels do tend to attract more visibility and more views and even followers as well. Make sure your account is public. So if you're using like Instagram, TikTok, make sure your account is public, and new people can actually find your account, and Amazon can also use that to review your account as well, okay? Because they're going to be checking all those things as well. So once you have your social media account active, the next thing you want to do is you want to go on and then apply for the Amazon Influencer Program. You can do a quick Google search, guys, and it will direct you to the website. It's free to join. You can join the Amazon Influencer Program for free, and then what they're going to do is basically, I think, is a very fast approval process. So I think they have like bots and robots or whatever they use to kind of review your account, your social media accounts, and then they're either going to approve your account or reject your account for whatever reason. Now, if they do reject your account, not to worry, you can always go back and reapply, okay? Just keep trying. Use another social media account that you have. If you've tried on Instagram, maybe try your TikTok account. People say most people are successful with a TikTok account. I don't know if it's because it's actually one of the biggest, trendiest social media platforms now, but I've heard that having a TikTok account has a higher chance of approval. I don't know about that, don't quote me on that. It's just based on the rumors that I'm hearing, but I do recommend that you're active in whatever platform you are using to apply for the Amazon Influencer Program. So once your account gets approved, the next step, of course, is you need to start uploading videos to your platform. Okay, so what you're going to get is a storefront where you can actually upload, images and videos. I do recommend, of course, that you upload videos, because to be honest, the images don't do anything, to be honest, from my experience anyway. Start uploading review videos, guys, and Amazon actually allows you to connect your review videos to the products. Now, one thing to bear in mind is that, and this is what happens, and this is what actually happened to me initially. I've been approved as an Amazon influencer now for about 6 months now, but I wasn't really active on my influencer account, to be honest. And I realized that they do have another component that you need to register for separately. You need to be approved for separately. So once you become an Amazon influencer, guys, what you're going to get is a storefront where you can sell your products, right? So now this is going to work well if you already have a large audience on social media, where you're actually reviewing the products and then getting your own followers to go buy from your store. This is what so many people are doing, guys. They have an influencer store, and then every time they share content on social media, they get the followers from social media to go buy. It's basically affiliate marketing, right? You're recommending the products, and then you're sending your own traffic to Amazon to buy the product, right? Now, if you don't have a large following, of course, if you've got like 50 followers, 100 followers, this is obviously going to be more complex for you, because you need to first of all work on building up your followership, and then trying to build that trust, and then getting people to now go buy via your link. Now, this is the tea, guys. Pay attention. If you've not been paying attention to this video up until now, pay attention to this step. Amazon have another program within the influencer program called on-site commissions. Okay, it's called the Amazon on-site commissions. What are the on-site commissions? On-site commissions basically allows you to earn money from doing video reviews and actually, getting people watch your videos, right? So the beauty about the on-site commissions, guys, is the fact that you're not the one going out there to bring the traffic to buy your products. People have to watch your videos. So these are people who are already actively searching for products on Amazon. So let's say I bought this phone on Amazon, guys, right? I've done a review of the phone, I've done my video, and then I was approved for the on-site commissions. Amazon is going to connect my review video to this product listing on the Amazon platform. So if somebody went on Amazon, looking for this product, they are already searching for that product. They already want to buy that product anyway, right? So Amazon is essentially bringing you that free traffic, right, to someone who is already in an active buying mentality. So when somebody comes to buy that product, they are going to see your video in that list of videos that are connected to the products. If they watch your video, right, and they go on to purchase this product, Amazon will pay you money for just submitting your videos. So you don't have to worry about going out there to find the traffic, trying to grow a large social media following. And this is what a lot of Amazon influencers are actually doing right now, on how they're getting the biggest results. Just, uploading a ton of review videos, guys, like, just pushing. I've seen people with like 2,000 videos in your storefront. I'm like, wow, you go, girl, you're killing it. Right? So if you have, I'm talking about, you may think you don't have products in your house right now, but if you start looking around you, just look around you as we're speaking right now. Start looking at the different products that you have at home. Download the Amazon app on your phone, guys, and just take a picture of the products. I can guarantee you that you're going to start seeing those products coming up on Amazon for sale. Similar products, similar brands. These are all products that you can start doing review videos, guys, submitting it to Amazon and making money. Now, in order to be approved for the on-site commissions, guys, you need to upload 3 videos. Okay, so now you've been approved for the influencer program. To qualify for the review part of it, where they pay you for those video views, you need to upload 3 videos. Okay, so this is going to be kind of like your test videos. Amazon is going to use that to basically judge you, and it's more of a manual kind of review process. So real human beings are watching those review videos. So you need to make sure that those review videos, are good sound quality. You want to make sure that you're not out there kind of reviewing things like health related products, or you have children in your videos. You want to kind of avoid those type of things. Just share your honest opinion, and that's what I did before I got approved for the on-site commissions, guys. I was just sharing honest reviews of products, and most importantly, show them how the product is being used. Like, I literally went to my toilet and I found this conditioner that I've been using for years now. I did a video review of me just using the conditioner on my hair and showing people the texture of the conditioner, and just sharing how it's been amazing for my hair. And that was one of the videos that I uploaded, guys. And it's just simple things, just being yourself, just keeping it short, simple. I think videos less than 60 seconds are amazing. Don't make it too short and don't make it too long, because when you make it too long, then you're just giving Amazon more reasons to, kind of pick on little things to reject those videos. Because if they do reject those 3 videos, you need to kind of reapply again to be approved for on-site commissions. Okay, so Once you get approved for on-site commissions, guys, you can now start going out there and just doing video reviews. Like, you don't even have to do the affiliate side of it if you don't want to. You can just be reviewing those products, guys, that you have at home and submitting it onto Amazon. Again, I will say it is a volume-based business. So if you wanted to start making like a lot of money with this strategy, you would need to be submitting a ton of review videos, guys. A ton of review videos if you wanted to make money with the Amazon influencer program, just relying on the video views. So if you have like a small audience or small following on social media, and you feel like you don't have enough people to promote the products as an affiliate and actually get them from social media to buy your products, then the review program obviously is amazing, because now you can actually just review a ton of products, upload those reviews on Amazon. Once they get published, you now have the opportunity to be paid by Amazon, and it's just evergreen money, guys. Like, evergreen, because once you upload that video one time, every time somebody comes to buy that product, you keep making money over and over and over again from the views and the purchases, of course. So guys, if you are looking for an amazing side hustle passive income stream, like something that you can do, just honestly, I look at it as easy money. It's like a free way to start a business because you're not buying anything extra. I've actually heard of people, if you don't have enough stock at home, go to your friend's house, go to your sister's house, go to your mama's house, your daddy's house, and find out what products they purchase from Amazon, or just do a scan around the house and see if there's any similar products on Amazon that you can do some review videos and, submit it to the platform. Like, you don't have to splash out on a ton of money, guys, to make the strategy work, okay? So guys, if you've been looking to make money on Amazon, then I strongly recommend you check out this influencer program. I've personally started myself. I'm a newbie as well in the program. I'm not an expert yet. I will be sharing my experiences as I go along eventually, but I'm just getting started, and I'm just sharing with you guys what I've personally done, how I got approved for the program, and how you can also, tap into this billion-dollar pie, because listen, we can all win, guys. We can all eat from that billion-dollar pie, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, share in the comments below this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.